Can't cover a SHOT Show without covering Glock, and every year they got something new. This year is no different, and we're here with Scotty, who's going to show us the Glock G19X.
All right, guys, so what we have here is the Glock 19X MOS. If you guys recall, the 19X was developed back in 2016 for the military trials. When the military went a different direction, we had this great pistol we thought we had, so we actually released it to the public. The original version of it did not have MOS capability. So now, since we live in a red dot world, we redid the 19X with MOS capability. So I can remove the cover plate here, put my favorite optic of choice on there. It's going to come from the factory with suppressor height sights and a Glock factory threaded barrel. Also has the extended FBI style magazine catch. Same 19X flavor, same color, everything. The only thing changed on it, the flavor was the MOS capability. Other than that, the 19X flavor is exactly the same as it was when it was released back in 2016.
Got it, thank you. And up next is?
Up next is the, excuse me, the G49. This is new to the world as well. So the G49, it has flavor from the Glock 17, it has flavor from the Glock 19, all right? So the frame is a complete G19 frame, so that's all 19 flavor. The top end, the Glock 17 length slide, okay? So in order to make the longer Glock 17 length slide compatible with a short 19 frame right here, we had to extend the nose ring so you have more material. Now this is not a new design. We've been doing this design on our G34s for a long time, but it's new to the 17 length guns, all right? So the slide, we had to add more material to the nose ring here to make the longer slide compatible with the short Glock 19 dust cover. Inside the gun, this is a 17 length slide, so it has a Glock 17 length barrel, but it uses a shorter Glock 19 recoil spring.
And what benefits do you get from this firearm? What have people been asking for?
So this was a gun that's been asked for a few years, more for concealability purposes. The people were saying, hey, we're not so concerned about how much of the slide goes down into my waist. They were more concerned about how much of the grip printed from the waist here. So we shortened the grip down, made the slide longer, so now people are happy with this.
So we got the concealability mixed with a longer sight radius, gives you a lot more precision on the optics.
It also has a lot more modularity. I could take this slide off and put a Glock 19 slide on this, and now I got a Glock 19. So if I want a regular traditional size Glock 19 frame with a traditional 19 slide, I got that. Or if I want a longer slide, the G49 slide is longer, 17 length slide, and we have that.
And behind us over there, we'll get there at one point, there's new triggers. People love hearing about Glock triggers. Yeah, there's something new in that area.
Yes, sir. So we have another version of the Glock performance trigger. What we've done, we made some changes to it, so now it's actually compatible now with our Gen 4 family of guns, 9mm. It's also compatible with the G44 as well. So the performance trigger is a drop-in part. If you run it in your Gen 4 gun, you need to get the Gen 5 slide cover plate to put on the back of your Gen 4 slide in order so the gun will run properly.
All right, Scotty, thank you so much. You got a busy show. We'll leave you to it.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you.